Hey guys, okay, we finally made it to Nashville. It was a crazy, crazy experience getting here, but we are here, we are happy, we are thriving. I wanted to share kind of our experience getting here, what it was like traveling with sick babies, but also wanted to share a really fun sponsorship with Walmart and how one of the small ways that I'm trying to make our house kind of special and fun for the upcoming Valentine's holiday and make it really special for the kids. So thank you Walmart for sponsoring today's video. I can't wait to show you guys some of the things that I found on Walmart.com. And without further ado, let's start the wonderful journey of moving to Nashville. Oh my goodness, I'm sweating. We have two kids that are somewhat healthy. A sweaty mom from running around with a giant pimple on her forehead. But this is it. Tyler is packing up the last of the car and we're gonna hit the road. Okay, you guys, last time we talked, Tyler, the boys, and myself had just left our lovely Tulsa house in an effort to make our way to Nashville.
Bye-bye, house.
I love you. Bye, house. Bye, house. So Brody and I were gonna fly because Brody is learned how to walk about a week ago. And to be honest, taking Brody in the car, he just doesn't really love it. He wants to be held all the time. In a car, you need to put him in a car seat, and he does not understand why I cannot hold him while we're driving. On the plane, I can hold him the whole time, and he is happy as can be. So Tyler, Sawyer, and Scout drove. It's about a 10.5-hour drive when you make all the stops with the freshly potty trained toddler.
Bubba, it's gonna be okay. Hey. Okay, Bubba, we're gonna get ready to go in the car. We're on the road. Scout, you ready? You don't even know what's gonna happen, do you?
But about halfway through the boys' drive, well, remember how Brody had the stomach bug? Poor Sawyer got it on the drive. Tyler got it the day that we got to the hotel, and I got it by that evening. What's up, patient zero? Huh? Yeah, did you get us all sick? Uh-oh. Oy vey. It's a good thing we stayed at a hotel. Beep, beep. I'm about to come down with it. I can feel it coming. Tyler's down for the count. I was barfing up a storm this morning. Hopefully in a few hours it'll be through us. It was miserable. To move during an ice storm is one thing with toddlers and a dog, but to move with a stomach bug with toddlers and a dog during an ice storm, that is like a whole nother level of crazy. Before I knew all this was gonna happen to us, I had kind of like scheduled for us to stay in a hotel because I thought that the moving trucks weren't gonna be there till the next day. And I wanted to set our house up for success for the kids. Like I didn't want us all to get here at night to an empty house where it was dark, make them sleep in a pack and play in their room and be terrified of where we're living now. So I was like, hey, let's just stay in a hotel. Let's not worry about it. We'll just stay at a hotel. We'll get there in the morning when the sun's out, the moving truck is there, we can help everybody unload. Well, Tyler and I were not able to be there to help anybody unload because we were so sick. Thank goodness my in-laws, thank you. My laundry is done. Thank goodness for my in-laws, Cookie and Pete, because they live about 2.5 hours away now, and they came down to help us manage and direct the moving company, to tell them where to go. We had tried to color code everything really well, so it was pretty seamless, and they were just awesome. They came and stocked our fridge. They came and helped us with the move so Tyler and I could take care of our kids at the hotel. And the best part is when we got to the hotel, they randomly upgraded us to like the executive suite. Thank you, Lord. And it was comfortable and it was like a slice of heaven after truly the most chaotic and most terrible day that Tyler and I had ever had. Mostly Tyler because Sawyer threw up everywhere. And then they had to drive in that same car for 5 more hours. Can you even imagine? No, I cannot. Oh, what a day. But there's been a lot of good things that have happened today too. That I feel like God is coming through and bringing the good, even though it's been a lot of bad the last 24 hours. They upgraded us to a suite, an executive suite here randomly. And my mother-in-law bought us groceries. And the neighbor dropped off a care package. There's a lot to be thankful for. And tomorrow is gonna be a new day. It just is, it's gonna be great. So the next day we all were feeling a little better. I was the one that was feeling kind of the worst. Tyler still was about 50% there. Brody, we're home. We made it. Everything was looking up. until we looked up. My lovely in-laws came and picked us up at the airport, and they checked out the house first, and they discovered a wonderful surprise all on Tyler's truck. The week before we moved to Nashville, Nashville got 8 inches of snow. They had freezing temperatures just like Tulsa. We'd called a neighbor to come and help us out to drip the faucets so that the pipes wouldn't freeze here. And in some freak accident, he dripped the faucets, but they're those like rectangular modern faucets. And I'm sure it was dripping for a while by itself, but a week into it, the drips kind of turn into a stream, and then the stream gets caught on the lip of the faucet, and it flew back, like it started to drain back towards the vanity, and it just puddled on that vanity all to the floor for about 10 days, soaking up the floor into the ceiling of the garage below this room, and it caused the drywall to completely blow open and to collapse all over Tyler's truck. You can't make this up, guys. You just can't. It's exciting, isn't it, Pete? Oy vey. We let the rental company know. They had somebody out here to check. My in-laws were able to help kind of manage it because we were down for the count. About a week later, they're here repairing the drywall, and we're really hoping we don't get the bill. Should we go see what they're doing? Okay. Hello. Hello. Wave. They're fixing the ceiling. And that was the most awkward thing I've ever done as an influencer. Usually I talk to them first and have some sort of a, hey, guess what? I have a YouTube channel, can I film you? But this was on the go, so we just went for it. Okay, we are slowly getting unpacked in here. I'd say we got like 20% of boxes left. But today we're gonna take a break from the unpacking, and I'm gonna take the boys to the zoo. We're covered in boxes for a while, and while we had like 1 or 2 really good days of unpacking, I actually got a tip from one of you guys with little kids. Unpacking is great, and it is good to get your kids back into like some sense of normalcy in your house, but it's also really good to not forget that they're kids and they need to be able to play and explore and do something fun. So the boys and I, we hopped in the car and we headed to the zoo. Honestly, it was such a great decision to go to the zoo. We had so much fun getting out into the sun. The boys got to see a tiger, but they got to see so many different animals. They got to see the fishies and all the snakes and spiders, which was disgusting, but they loved it. And it was just fun to be silly and to have fun with the kids. And when you get to see the new city's library and zoo, it's like a very exciting thing for my kids. So we haven't been to the library yet. We need to do that. Okay, I just got the babies down. Tyler hung my art last night. So exciting. And since this is a true vlog, I guess I'll show you what I do next. So once the kids are down is like my wait, let me put you on my tripod. My 2 hours of either cleaning this house or unboxing something. Or today, I'm actually gonna be filming some content for Instagram. I really try to get like the filming of reels and stuff done while the kids are sleeping, and then I try to edit them too, but sometimes I don't have enough time. I'm not doing too many of them, but every once in a while when an idea comes. Like today, I really wanna unbox this new faux olive tree that I got. So I thought I'd make a cute little reel doing it. And I had this whole plan to like unbox it and be so cute and all these things, and then I came downstairs and my sweet husband unboxed it and threw it away, threw the box away. I'm like, okay, that was really nice of you, I can't be mad, but that was part of my reel. So, you know, when you first move in, you're always needing to get all the things that you didn't want to bring from home that you could rebuy, which are things like toilet paper and paper towels and wipes and cleaning supplies and WD-40. But really, Walmart has been my go-to on ordering online because it is so fast how quickly you can get it. You can also order and pick up if you want to just stay in your car. Pull on up and they'll bring it out to your car. But I have absolutely loved it. So I'm gonna go get all the things that just got delivered, unbox them, because I also got some really sweet goodies for the boys for Valentine's Day. My whole thing is like, I'm trying to make this house feel personable and fun and exciting. And I just think decorating for little cute holidays makes a home feel cozier. These things I'm excited about. I'm gonna make the cutest little moment right behind me on Valentine's Day. And so I just picked up a few of these things. So this is a Happy Valentine's Day banner. I'm gonna scatter this on the dining table. I have my little Hugs and Kisses banner that I can also put underneath the Happy Valentine's Day, and then put this in the middle. If y'all follow on Instagram, I'll show you a little demo maybe of how I do this. These are the perfect basket for a baby shower gift. And I'm just really excited. These are gonna be their Valentine's baskets. It's gonna make it feel so cute and special. And then I also stocked up on all my random basics that I needed that I didn't bring from Tulsa. Now, it's a sign that you're an adult when your really fun deliveries include paper towels, washing machine cleaner, WD-40, random household like items that you need, because when you move, you don't have all these items, so you need to stock your house. And you know what feels so great about it? I'm a busy mom. And when you are a busy mom and you have kids and you have little kids, leaving your house is a big effort. So being able to order online and have it delivered to my door, it's crucial. It is everything. It's what moms kind of need right now. And all the savings that you get from going to Walmart and being able to find these things, great deals, great prices, and really good quality. And really cute stuff. Look at this. I didn't even show you guys this one. I love it. I'm a sucker for a good Valentine's moment, okay? I have all boys in this house. I need to wear my femininity on my shoulders, apparently. It's been such a blessing, you guys. The place that we're living is very different than the layout we had in our Tulsa house. Our Tulsa house was huge, and it was on a huge, for being in Midtown, it was in a huge like plot, like a quarter or half an acre of land. So our neighbors were very far away from us, which was nice because we had great views of great trees and a lot of space. But here in Nashville, we are very much all on top of each other, which I initially thought was kind of a downside, but so far it has proven to be the biggest blessing. The neighbors to the left of us have a little 2-year-old boy. The neighbors to the right of us have a 3-year-old boy. I have a 1 and 3-year-old boy, so it was just like, we have instant friends and instant play dates and community when you're in a brand new town. These neighbors with the 2-year-old, they invited us to their son's birthday party the day we moved in, and the birthday party was the next day. I was like, are you sure you want us to come? And they did their gender reveal at the party. I'm like, are you sure you want us to be here? We don't even know you. They were just like, no, we've been in your position. Come and meet our friends and all of our friends' kids. Everyone's got a 2 and 3-year-old kid, and it should be so fun. So those people we invited over for a play date, even though our house is a mess, even though we're in the middle of unboxing, it's kind of like, you know, you just need to do what you gotta do to make new community. And that's something I learned in Tulsa, is like, it's all about putting yourself out there and making an effort to make new friends. And if you do that, your experience in the new city that you move to will be completely different. So like, obviously I'm all about a nice, beautiful, clean home, but if you're not in that season of having everything perfectly put together, don't let that stop you from putting yourself out there, inviting friends over, having community in your home, because I think it can rob you of the joy of being able to make new friends because you're waiting for everything to be perfect. And nothing's ever perfect, especially if you have little kids. It's always gonna be a mess. And if the people you're inviting have little kids, they're gonna get it. Our friends just left. I didn't film anything because, I don't know, is that weird when you first meet someone to be like, I'm vlogging. Can I vlog you and your kid? Probably. But the kids all had fun. The playroom is a mess. The whole house is a mess, really. It's like half unpacked, half not. I use one of those meal services, you know, where they send you the groceries. I rescheduled it and it came to Tulsa, or came to Nashville, and then the next week went to Tulsa, and I don't know how that happened. On weeks where I don't have my home delivery groceries, this is what we eat. Gluten-free corn dogs, random quesadillas with leftover chicken and corn. That's the kind of dinners I make when I don't plan ahead. That is a New Year's resolution that I have not quite mastered, and I blame the move. Anyway, Sawyer's using the bathroom. Brody is... Brody, what are you doing? Wow! Should we go get some ice cream? Something that we've been trying to do to make it fun for the kids that we actually did in Tulsa a lot is we'd go to breakfast with the kids somewhere fun, or we'd go get ice cream after dinner. And we've been trying to get Sawyer excited about all the newness by saying, we have to find a new ice cream place, or we need to find a new breakfast spot. So Sawyer had asked if we could get ice cream. So as a family, we all ate our dinner and then headed out to find our new ice cream spot. And it was kind of like the perfect way to end a busy, fun-filled day. We live in a super cute neighborhood that has lots of fun activities like that to do. I don't think we'll live here forever in terms of like this neighborhood. I think if we are gonna stay in Nashville, we'll probably move out to the suburbs or Franklin or something like that, is my guess. So while we live in this like midtown type area near all the cool stuff, we wanna take advantage of it. And that's been a super fun thing. We are actually feeling really settled here, which has been really nice. Tyler and I, like any spare minute we had without the kids, we have just been unboxing and it helps make everything start to feel like a home, getting those boxes out of the way. And the cutest thing that I didn't expect is Sawyer really wanted to share a room with Brody, which I didn't know if Brody was gonna be too young, but we officially moved them in together. They've been sleeping wonderfully. Sawyer was waking up in the night, kind of scared, and now he's got Brody, so he's like sleeping like a champ. Everyone's doing well. And I'm excited to show you guys officially more of the house now that we are starting to get settled. I do have some really fun videos coming. We'll do some house tour stuff. I'll kind of show you up close of how this house is coming together. It's obviously not done. We're gonna be here for a year and a half, maybe longer. So as things change and we do little projects, rental-friendly projects, I will keep you guys in the loop as usual. But I hope you guys are enjoying this more like vlog style casual format. It's really easy for me to film and continue to put up content being a full-time mom, and it's fun. It's a fun creative outlet, and I love also the fact that it documents these early days and this journey that we're on, and it's pretty special. So thank you guys for watching. Leave me a comment below on what you think. Tyler's thriving in his new job. I'm thriving. We're getting plugged into BSF. We're getting plugged in. Sawyer started school today. It's just been really good. We miss our friends back in Tulsa, and we hope they'll come visit us soon once our guest room is set up. But for now, you know, we're doing good. It still feels like we're kind of like on a vacation staying in an Airbnb, but I think slowly it's starting to feel like a home, you know? That's it for now. I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.